How to recover lost password from Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let's open up the Google Chrome on your device. Tap on Google Chrome and make sure that you're logged in. Then go to google.com and then tap on the 9 dotted lines over here. Then scroll down to the very end. You'll be able to see the option of password manager over here. Just tap on password manager. Now it will give you the access to look at all the passwords and the website that you have logged in via Google Chrome. So if you want to recover the lost password, just tap on the website that you want to recover the password for. And then after tapping on that website, you'll be able to use your password and get it back. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. See you next time.